Welcome back guys. This is day 2 of Python 30-day course and we are just going to install Python. That is all we are going to do. Go in your start or all applications if you are using Mac and search for command prompt or your terminal. You just type Python minus capital V, which is for version, and this will tell you Python was not found. So this means that Python is not installed and we need to install it. So go to Google, just search for Python, and the first link that you see after the ads is what you need to click on, which is this one. And this is python.org, which stands for organization. This is open source. You can click on download. You can download the latest version, or you can go over here. This will auto detect your operating system. If you have a Mac OS, it will show you Mac OS over here. So click on download Python. Do this. Once it is installed, let me bring it up. Once you open this setup, it would be something like this. And this is what you need to select. Install now includes idle, pip, and documentation. One important thing is you need to select this because we need to add Python to path. So make sure you select this before going forward. So install now. It's very easy. It will start installing. The same goes for Mac. Just make sure that you select the option to add Python to path. So this is installed now. Now let me open command prompt again, and here I'm going to do Python minus capital V, and it's going to give me Python 3.10.1, which means our installation was successful. If I do Python, it takes me into a Python shell where I can do any mathematical operations and it will run properly. The one thing that we need to learn about that we'll be using in this course is something called as idle. So idle is a Python interpreter like this, where you just type whatever command you want to run, like print and hello world. Just ignore what I'm doing right now, but what I want to show you is whatever you do over here, it would be executed right away. And this is the Python 3.10. This is what I'm going to use to show you basic concepts. So that is it for this video guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.